Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the LED Snowflake Projector. Light. Oh, there's more light. Outdoor light. I like it for Christmas time. Snowfall Projector. It is waterproof light with wireless remote control and timing function for outdoor and indoor decoration thing. Party, Christmas and holiday. Christmas time is the best time of the year. Really, this is awesome. It is an updated Snowflake Projector. LED. Snowfall Power Light, which is much more stable and brighter than a traditional laser model. Fun with rotating snowflakes light projector here. Have more fun at your party, festival and family celebrations. And of course, Christmas time. Oh, this is an additional thing for all your Christmas lights and decoration out there. Broad range of applications, wide cover range and rotating spotlight. That Christmas Snowfall Projector has a large coverage area, 15 up to 50 square meters. Wow. Awesome. At the same spot distance, 3 up to 6 meters. These are 9.8 up to 19.7 feet. You have so much function in it. 3 buttons for 2, 4 and 6 hours timing. 1 button, 2 to 3 modes of the snowflakes will fake snow, medium snow, strong snow. That means how much snow you can see out there. Animated snow, of course, not the real snow. The real snow comes from the weather, not from this decoration thing here. And here in good old Germany, there's not a lot of snow this year. The buttons on the backside of the projector can also control different modes. And it is easy. The LED Snowflake Projector lights comes with a timer function. This machine can be timed with the remote, of course, from 6 hours after automatic shutdown, 18 hours after automatic startup. That will you have to program this. That will not turn on automatically, of course. But for this, you can use a remote control thing. Because it's not a standard light remote. It does not work with ultrasonic light. It will work with an ad hoc network, I think. It is waterproof. Both light and plug are waterproof with IP65 and IP44. Don't worry about raining or wet weather. You can let it out there, no problem. But do not dip it underwater. This is not the good thing. But you will not dip it underwater because it is not the underwater light, or isn't it? Yeah, it is not. So, LED Snowfall Light, remote controlled Christmas Snowfall Night Projector. Oh, white snowflakes, flurries, rotating headlight, indoor landscape decoration light, everything in one device. Perfect for at-home decoration light. You can install it in the garden, in the yard, etc. It brings fun to your family and yourself. Party, festival, Christmas, Halloween, for example. For the perfect effect, static and dynamic available, the dynamic motion shows falling snow pattern. Effectively waterproof, suitable for indoor and outdoor. You have a large range, over 60 square meters, with a better spot distance, up to 6 meters. Awesome. Okay, how it works. Turn on manual and do not turn it off. It shuts down automatically after 8 hours of work. After shutdown for 16 hours, it automatically turns on. And of course, you can use the remote for it with on and off button, with the timer function, and of course with the special options of Snowflake. If you like more snowflakes, less snowflakes, a little bit more light, you can publish with your remote control, of course. And you will get is a light projector, remote control, a plug, a stake, and a base. And inside the remote control is a battery installed. Awesome. Professional LED lights projector. It shows you a snow falling thing. It is IP65 waterproof and it's remote controlled. And on board is a timer function. Oh, you have a wide cover range. This is really wide. You will see it on my house later. It is waterproof, perfect for indoor and outdoor. Awesome. And if you are going to use the buttons on the rear side, then you can push it on and off, of course, but there are still more options available. If you push first time, that turns it on and high rotating speed. The second push is medium rotating speed. The third push is slow rotation speed. And the fourth push will give you a gradually charging mode. And the fifth push will turn it off. That is the manual button on the back side. You are able to use it mounted on a flat surface by using screws, or you can use the stick by get it into the dirt, for example in your garden. Transfer the angle of the LED light by adjusting the screw nut, and this is 300 degrees is possible. Wow. And you have a timer daily circulation. Turn on off automatically with the timer cycle with 2, 4 or 6 hours for your convenience. Awesome. Really awesome device. It looks really beautiful, as you can see. Inside the ball, inside are 4 LED spots. And these LED spots will get in one level with it. And around this LED thing, there is like a disco ball. And this will project the snowflakes on each wall. There you have to install, under the device, you have to install the stand or the stick, as you like. And if you adjust it a little bit outside, oh, it's a wonderful time on Christmas time. So, thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.